Hi, email marketing is still one of the highest converting marketing channels, but only if it's done right. And that's where tools like Constant Contact comes in. In this video, I will show you how to use Constant Contact step by step. Even if you never sent a marketing email before, we'll walk through real dashboard, build an email campaign, manage contact, understand templates, automation, and analytics. And most importantly, how to use Constant Contact without feeling overwhelmed. First, navigate to any browser, go to the search bar, type in Constant Contact, hit enter, and click on the link that says constantcontact.com. So when you click the link, you'll be on this page where you'll have to basically click on a Start Trial button at the top right. Here, simply enter your email, create a password, enter your first and last name and mobile number. Then click Get Started. After you click Get Started and verify your email, you'll be on this first page that says what are your main goals. So choose what are your exact goals. So you can choose anyone or just leave it and click Continue. Now click Continue and click Continue again. After you do this, you'll be taken to the dashboard. So Constant Contact is an email marketing platform designed mainly for small businesses, creators, non-profits, and local brands. It helps you build email lists, design professional emails, send newsletters and promotion, automate basic email sequence, track opens, clicks, and engagement. Unlike complex enterprise tools, Constant Contact focuses on simplicity and reliability, which is why it's popular with beginners and non-technical users. So once you sign up and log in, you land on the main dashboard. Right away, you will notice that Constant Contact organizes everything into clear sections like campaigns, contacts, sign up forms, automation, and reporting. This layout is intentional. It mirrors the actual email marketing workflow, which makes learning much easier for beginners. Before sending emails, you always start with contacts. So click the contacts option, and here you can add contact in multiple ways. So you can manually add email addresses by clicking add contact and click add a single contact. Now enter the email of the contact that you want to add, then enter the first name, last name, and click manage fields, and you can add new fields to your contact list like job title, company name, birth, or create a custom field. So if I click create a custom field, I'll be able to create a new field for every contact that I want to add. For example, if I would want my contact list to have a field, say Marshall status, I will enter the field name here, then click field type and choose whether I want the field type to be a single line text, single select, multiple select, or true false. So I can choose multiple select. I can make the option 1 as married and option 2 as unmarried and click add field. Now click save and add another. After you do this, the new contact email will be successfully added just right here. Now, other way to add your contact is by clicking here, click add multiple contacts, and you'll be taken to this page. Here, you can add multiple contacts manually. Enter the email, first name, last name. You can also click manage fields and choose a new field if you want, like job, birthday, anniversary, SMS number, home address like city, address line, zip, postal code, mobile, and much more. You can also create custom field if you want and just enter the status of that field in these sections and click continue, and these fields will be added to your contact. Now we'll get back. You can click on add contact again and click on upload from a file. So you can upload a CSV file, copy paste a list, connect sign up forms, and much more. Also, Constant Contact is strict about permission-based email marketing, which is a good thing. You should only upload contacts who have agreed to receive emails from you. You can also organize contacts using lists and tags. Just click select a file here and upload any CSV file of the contacts you have, and all those contacts will be added at once. Hundreds and thousands of contacts in just one click. After adding your contacts, let's create an email campaign. So navigate to campaigns by clicking on campaigns button just right here and click create. So click create a campaign at the top right, choose email, and Constant Contact offers a large library of pre-designed templates. Choose one that matches your goal, like newsletter, announcement, promotion, or event invite. So I will search for newsletter or something like new arrivals. Now I will select any one of these by clicking on select. Once you select the template, the email editor opens up. This is a drag and drop editor, meaning you can click on text and edit it. For example, if you don't want any text, remove this and add a new one, like new arrivals in our shop. You can replace images. Click on the image that you want to replace. Click on this edit icon. Click on remove this image URL and paste a new image URL here. You can also click on library and click on upload, choose browse your computer to upload. For example, I'll add this image and click upload files, click done. Now I'll select this. So after the image gets uploaded, just click on this plus icon under library and that image will be added on your page. You can click it, click on this edit icon and you can edit this image in Canva using this button. Now you can add buttons, just click anywhere empty on your screen and you can click on that button, edit the labels, or if you want to add a new block, just click anywhere empty on your screen and you can add new blocks like image, text, button, divider, videos and much more. So for example, if your email page needs a new video, click on video option and drag it between any blocks you want. Now you can make this block bigger if you want to, then click the video icon, click plus icon and you can add a Vimeo video here, change the thumbnail by clicking change thumbnail. After you click insert, you will see the video appearing just right here. You can also click on any block, then scroll down, add a different background or anything you want and just click preview and test, then click continue. So you don't need design experience, everything snaps into place automatically. After you click continue, you can save this as a draft or click send now. So we can click send test and enter up to 5 email addresses and click send test. It will be pretty easy. Now choose time and audience and you can send it now or schedule it for later. You can add the audience just right here. Like you can select all the contacts, then you will see sender details here and enter the subject line like your headphones are waiting for you. Enter the pre-header and in the from name, you can change the sender's name. You can change the email address. You can add another one and share it with that. You can add organization name, address, country, state, zip and much more. Then click send now. After you click send now, this email campaign that we just created will be sent to the emails that we have added. As you can see, we just sent our first email. We'll click OK and now we can schedule our email campaign too. So keep your email simple, one clear goal, short paragraph, one main call to action. Instead of stuffing everything into one email, focus on what you want the reader to do. Click a link, read a blog or check an offer. Constant Contact also includes subject line suggestions which help improve open rates, especially useful if you're new to email marketing. Now you can schedule your emails too. Scheduling is powerful because it lets you send emails when your audience is most active, even if you're not online. After sending, the campaign moves into reporting automatically. So at the left corner of the screen, if you click any button, you can click campaigns and see all the campaigns that you will have. You can click on any campaign that you want to edit. Just click edit and you'll be able to design it differently. You can add more channel managers by clicking add more. You can add a new template for your campaign. You can design a campaign using AI. For example, if I select this one, it will instantly add this to my campaign. Now you can see the email's design has been changed. I will click continue. You can also add your logo here, do all the designings that you want, then click continue and you'll be able to schedule it for later by clicking on schedule button just right here. But it is for premium users only. You can click it and click upgrade option and you'll be able to upgrade it to a pro plan in order to use this feature. So that was how you add contacts, create campaigns, design them and send them to anyone or all contacts you want. Now we'll click on dashboard icon. And as you can see, here we'll see all the recent campaigns and also the performance like revenue generated, email click rate, total contacts added and contact growth from just right here. Also under quick actions, we'll be able to see email templates, add contacts, create social post and run an event too. So Constant Contact isn't built for complex automation, but it offers simple and useful workflows. You can also navigate to automation and you can create welcome emails for your new subscribers, birthday emails, basic follow-up emails. For example, when someone joins your email list, they automatically receive a welcome email without you doing anything manually. For that, you'll have to simply navigate to automations and click setup now under use a pre-built automation to welcome new contact. Click setup now and you'll be able to choose rules, send actions, contact actions, shopping actions and much more. So if you click three-dotted icon here, click edit and you can choose the from section, whether the user will receive this email from a specific email and you can also edit the name here. Now you can scroll down and click edit under this and design the welcome email anyhow you want. So you can add text, image, buttons and much more. As I told you previously, you'll have to basically design this page anyhow you want. You can add your own logo at the top, hello, and you can edit these text just right here by removing any text and entering a new one. Then clicking save and close. So after you design it, click save and close at the top and this will load up here and the automation will be created. Click activate at the top right. After you click activate here, your automation will be live and any of your new subscriber will instantly get a welcome message tailored for them. It's pretty easy. We can also build different kind of automations, not just welcome emails. Just navigate to automation, click create automation, choose whether you want to build your own or use a template. If you click use a template, you'll be able to use different kind of templates like thank you messages, welcome series for Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce, Squarespace, birthday basic, calendars, and a lot of automation templates are available here. So it's pretty easy using this. Now after sending emails, go to reporting section. Here you can track open rates, click-through rates, subscriber, unsubscribes, bounce rates, and much more. This data tells you what your audience likes and what they ignore. Over time, this helps you write better subject lines, better emails, and smarter campaigns. Now, let's wrap this up honestly. Constant Contact is extremely beginner friendly, the interface is clean, the editor is easy, and you don't need technical skills to get results. It's reliable, well established, and excellent for newsletters, announcements, and simple email marketing workflows. It's not built for advanced automation or complex email funnels. If you want deep segmentation, behavioral triggers, or advanced workflow, this tool may feel limited. Pricing can also feel high compared to some newer competitors, especially as your list grows. Now, answering the question, who should use Constant Contact? It's ideal for small businesses, local brands, non-profits, creators and coaches, and beginners in email marketing. And if you want simple, stable, no-stress email marketing tool, Constant Contact is a solid choice. But if you're running advanced e-commerce funnels or large-scale automation, you may want to explore tools like ActiveCampaign or Klaviyo instead. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.